Thank you for joining me as we dive deeper into the mysteries of Craftly Hall. The love story. Along with Rose's diary, I found a carefully wrapped bundle of items. They appeared to be mementos of Rose and Jeffrey's love story. There were letters from when they first met at Jeffrey's family's factory. There were theater tickets from one of their first dates. A Valentine and an empty box of chocolates. Also included was Jeffrey's pocket watch and some pressed flowers. And a beautifully preserved butterfly. Rose's diary mentions a trip they took where they collected these items. There were train tickets from that trip. Also included was their wedding photo. They were all carefully wrapped inside a lovely handkerchief. I could almost feel the love between these two. I just hope my research finds that their love will stand the test of all the things they will face at Craftly Hall. Join me again next time as we dive deeper into the mysteries of Craftly Hall.